guys, what is up? Kumusta? My name is Johnbee and this is Offdays with Johnbee. Now, it's another day to explore Singapore, and right now we are here at Imbiah station, and later on we will explore the Imbiah trail here at Sentosa. Now, there are a lot of ways where you can get in here at Imbiah trail. You can walk from the Sentosa station, you can use the monorail, or you can use your bike as well. But later on I will share to you how did I get here using the MRT and the monorail ways. Alright? So we are officially starting our Imbiah trail here. Our day to explore Imbiah trail, and currently it's freaking hot. Grabe kainit, guys. Oh guys, look at that. It's a peacock. Guys, look who greeted me just in front here at Imbiah Trailway. Cute peacock. Basically walking here alone, guys, but we have to be very extra careful. Baka may mahulog na twig or snakes. Hopefully no, hopefully none. And yeah, we've reached the falls. We've reached the falls, guys. So nice. The water is so cold. Bye, mini waterfall. Now let's continue walking, guys. So this place is like a portal going to the other dimension, guys. It's like the movie Chronicles of Narnia. Remember that? Yeah, ganyan ang feeling. So far, guys, I am still alone here, wandering the nature trail here at Imbiah Trail. We just have to be very, very careful, because we might not know what surprises us here. Though it's really literally hot because it's around 4 in the afternoon, the wind is just nice. And we've reached another waterfall. Oh my god, look! It's entirely mine! Oh my god, see? How beautiful Singapore is! Hi, waterfalls! Guys, look what I found! Jurassic period time. Woo! Bye bye, Bones. Alright guys, so I found the 3 hidden gems here at Imbiah Trail. I was so happy I get the chance to see this for myself. So if you have time, guys, come do visit here at Imbiah Trail here at Sentosa. The majestic dragon, guys. Imbiah Trail is a really nice place to visit, guys, and to explore. But just a gentle reminder to bring your insect or mosquito repellent, because there's a lot of mosquitoes here. And also be always vigilant on the path that you are walking, because you might not know there's some snakes or sort of anything dangerous along your way. All right, so touch nothing and leave nothing but memories. All right, see you here at Imbiah Trail, or see you here at Singapore. And now we are heading to the hilltop. Yay! So here's the hilltop. So we have finally made it here at the hilltop. Woo! Okay, so I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in exploring the Imbiah Trail here at Sentosa. Explore this place with your friends, with your family, or even alone. There's nothing wrong exploring the place alone. You really will have fun exploring this place. You will find the hidden gems of the 2 mini waterfalls, plus the skeleton wall, and of course you also have time with Mother Nature. Thank you so much for watching for today's episode, guys. I hope you would consider liking, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so that you'll be notified in our future vlogs. And if you have any places that you would want me to visit, just drop your comment in the comment section and I will try to find time to visit those places. Alright, so for now, stay safe, monitor your health, spend time with your family, spend time with yourself, and together, let's survive and beat this COVID-19 pandemic. Alright, so see you here in Singapore when travel resumes. My name is Johnbee and this is Offdays with Johnbee. Bye!